Hi guys, this is 2019 TYS Combined Chemistry Paper 1 Question 7. This is a mole question. Okay, 0.1 mole per dm cube hydrochloric acid reacts with 25 cm cube of 2 mole per dm cube. Okay, so this aqueous sodium carbonate, so it is the sodium carbonate, and 0.1 mole per dm cube, that's hydrochloric acid. So what is the volume of the acid? So you need to find out the volume. The volume of hydrochloric acid required to completely react with this volume of sodium carbonate. So always write down the information given at the top of the chemical equation. Okay, then the first step would be to find out the mole from the information given to you. So this is the information given to you, 25 cm cube, 0.2 mole per dm cube. So whenever you are given a volume and then a concentration, okay, a volume and concentration of a solution, always multiply the two numbers to get the number of mole. So I find the number of mole of this sodium carbonate, and that is 25. Change it to dm cube, which is divided by 1000. So 1 dm cube is 1000 cm cube, multiply 0.2. Okay, and if you do this calculation, you will be able to find out that the sodium carbonate number of mole is 0.005. Okay, that's the first step. Okay, first step is to find the number of mole from the information given to you. Okay, then the second step is to use the mole ratio. So in this question, it's very obvious. It's a sodium carbonate as well as hydrochloric acid. So the mole ratio, okay, the mole ratio is 2 mole of HCl, 1 mole of Na2CO3. So now, how many mole of Na2CO3 do you have? Is 0.005. So which means that the HCl would be 0.005 times 2, which is 0.01. So we found the number of mole of HCl is 0.01. And then the third step is to find out the volume. So if you look at the unit, the HCl, you have 0.01 mole. And you are also given 0.1 mole per dm cube. So mole and mole per dm cube, how do you find volume? And the unit for volume is dm cube. So obviously you have to, this number divided by this number, 0.01 divided by 0.1 mole per dm cube. Okay, so volume is 0.01 mole divided by 0.1 mole per dm cube. Okay, and you will get 0.1 dm cube. Okay, this mole per dm cube at the bottom, it will go up to become dm cube over mole, and then the mole and mole will cancel off each other. So you get 0.1 dm cube, which is actually the same as 0.1 times 1000 in order to change it to cm cube, and that would be 100 cm cube. So the answer is D, 100 cm cube. Let me do a very quick recap. For most of the mole question, the first step is to find out the number of mole. In this case, when you see volume and concentration, multiply these two numbers to get the number of mole. Before you multiply, change the 25 cm cube to dm cube. First step. Second step, find out the mole ratio. So in this case, it's HCl and Na2CO3. Then from the mole ratio, you'll be able to find out the number of mole of HCl. Then finally, find out the volume. And look at the unit, you have 0.01 mole, and then you have 0.1 mole per dm cube. So how do you find an answer that whereby the unit is dm cube? That's mole divided by mole per dm cube. That's 0.01 divided by 0.1 mole per dm cube. And that would be 0.1 dm cube, which is 1000 cm cube. So remember, 1 dm cube, sorry, that's 0.1 dm cube, which is 100 cm cube. So remember, 1 dm cube is 1000 cm cube. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.